In part 1 of the Sound Buddy system, you learned the secret behind sound patterns like qing, fang, gong, and bao, and the response was incredible. Today, we are taking it to the next level with part 2, where you'll master 4 new sound buddies: ba, fen, yang, and zhu. They can literally double the number of words you understand. Let's get started. Our first sound buddy for today is this character zhu. The pronunciation is zhu, third tone. Now, what does it mean? The core original meaning of zhu is master, host, or the main thing. The character Zhu in Oracle Bone script resembles a torch. The lower part is the wooden handle, the upper part is the flame, and the dot in the middle represents the flickering fire. As a whole, it is a pictographic character. What do you get when you add the person radical ren plus zhu, the sound? We get the character zhu. Zhu means to live, reside, stay, or stop. Words with zhu:居住, to reside, to live. 住院 literally means live hospital. Actual meaning is to be hospitalized. 站住, to stand still, a command to stop moving. 记住, to remember, to memorize. What do you get when you add the water radical shui to the sound body 主? You get the Chinese character 注,注意的注. Examples: 注意, to pay attention. 注入, to pour into. 注明, to clearly indicate. 注重, to pay attention to or to emphasize. When you add the radical for insect, 虫, to the sound body, 煮, you get the Chinese character 注,蛀牙的蛀. 蛀 means to eat into something. It is the insect that eats into wood, fabric, or teeth. What examples? 蛀牙, tooth decay or cavity. 蛀虫, moth or woodworm. 蛀是 to erode. When you add the horse radical 马 to the sound body 主, you get the Chinese character 驻, to be stationed of troops or diplomats. Examples: 驻地, station, encampment. 驻军, to station or garrison troops. 驻守, defend. 派驻, to be posted as an ambassador or foreign correspondent. What do you get when you add the wood radical 木 to the sound body 主? You get the character 柱, pillar or column. What is the main support of a building made of wood? The pillar is the central master structure that holds everything up. 柱子 pillar. 支柱 mainstay pillar. 顶梁柱 backbone. 标柱 distance marker. Our next sound buddy is this character 八. The original meaning of 八 is a big snake. In the earliest inscriptions, 八 was a pictograph of a snake, long, curving, and winding. The ancient form looked like a coiled or twisting serpent. Its meaning is snake, something curled or clinging. Just like 主, ba is a fantastic sound buddy. When you see ba in another character, it always gives the sound ba or ba. Let's meet 5 members of the ba family. The first word is ba, where you add the hand radical show to the sound body ba. When using this word as a verb, it means to hold. You can also use it as a measurement word for things you can hold, and also a preposition, a grammar structure. Word examples: 把握, certainty or sure; 把关, to check on something; 把脉, to feel the pulse, to take somebody's pulse; 扫把, broom. The second character in the ba family is ba, where you add the father radical fu to the sound body ba. It means baba, father. This one is mostly about the sound. It's a casual, affectionate word for dad. The fu on top gives the meaning father, and ba underneath gives the sound. Examples: 亲爸, one's own father, biological father; 爸妈, dad and mom; 奶爸, stay at home, dad; 老爸, father or dad. The third character, ba, which means scar, is where we add the radical for sickness or wound plus the sound body ba. So what is a scar? It's the mark that clings to your skin after a wound heals. It's literally stuck on you. So a ba is a mark that clings from an old injury. 伤疤 scar, 疤痕 scar, 刀疤 scar from a knife wound, 结疤 to form a scar. What you get when you add the mouth radical ko to the sound body ba? You get the word ba, a spoken particle used at the end of a sentence to make a suggestion or soften a question. When part of a compound word, like in 酒吧, it regains its original first tone, ba, because it's no longer a soft grammatical particle, but a full syllable with real meaning. Examples: 好吧, okay or alright then. So its pronunciation is ba. 酒吧 pub or bar. 网吧 internet cafe. 吧台 counter of a bar or pub. The last ba family character is pa, where you add the zhua or zhao claw radical to the sound particle ba. How do you climb a wall or a tree? You use your hands to cling onto the surface. A baby crawls by clinging to the floor. So pa is the action of using your claws, as in your hands, to cling and to move up or along something. 爬行 to crawl, to creep. 爬虫 reptile, old or common word for 爬行动物。爬山 to climb a mountain. 爬墙 to climb a wall. Our third sound buddy is 分. The core meaning of 分 is to divide, to separate, or to share. It's all about splitting one whole thing into smaller parts. The oldest form of 分 is very clear and logical. The character 八 8 is actually the original form of the character 分. In Oracle bone script, ba originally meant to split or divide. It showed the idea of cutting something apart. Later, when the original meaning of to cut or split in ba 8 faded away, ancient writers added the radical Tao knife to make a new character fen portion or share where we add the ren radical to the sound body fen. We get the word fen. When you divide something among people, what does each person get? Their portion or share. So fen is the part that belongs to a person or the part of a whole. What examples? 身份 identity or status. 股份 a share or stock. 成分 composition or ingredient. 份额 share portion. 月份 month a division of the year. 粉 we get this character when we add the rice particle mi to the sound body 分. 粉 means powder, face powder, or pink. 粉碎 to crush or to smash. 粉笔 chalk. 花粉 pollen. 米粉 rice flour, noodles. 粉刺 pimple or blackhead. What character do you get when you add the grass radical 草 to the sound body 芬? You get the word 芬 fragrance. 芬芳 perfume or fragrant. What do you get when you add the air or atmosphere radical 气 to the sound body 芬? You get the Chinese character 氛 meaning atmosphere, mood, or ambience. Long ago, people believed that there was a special kind of air or energy floating around like an invisible mist that could signal good or bad luck. The character Fen was created to describe this kind of special atmosphere. It combines qi, representing the air or energy, and Fen, something that is separated out. So together, Fen means a special kind of air that is set apart from ordinary air, the air that carries a mood, vibe, or omen. Example, 气氛, atmosphere or mood. The last Fen family word is the word Fen that has the meaning of confused, numerous, and disorderly. You get this character by adding the silk radical 丝 to the sound body 分. The original meaning is many fine silk threads decorating a flag, fluttering in the wind. So 分 describes a situation that is messy and all over the place. 纷纷, one after another, in confusion. 纠纷, a dispute. 缤纷, vast and various, rich and diverse. 纷乱, numerous and disorderly. Our last sound buddy is a gentle and important animal, yáng. In oracle bone inscriptions, yáng was a pictograph of a sheep's head. In small seal script, the form of yáng became elegant and decorative. Two symmetrical horns on top, three lines below. It's the ancestor of the modern form yang. First one, yang, where you add the wood radical mu plus the sound body yang. It means looks, appearance, or sample. Originally, the Chinese character yang didn't mean appearance at all. It actually referred to an acorn, the little nut that grows on oak trees. In ancient times, people used yáng to write the word for acorn. They even had old names for it, like xu, shi. But later on, people started to borrow this character because it sounded similar to xiang, which means to resemble. So yang slowly changed meaning from acorn to appearance, pattern, or type. Word examples: 样子 appearance, manner; 一样 the same; 这样 like this; 多样 diverse. What do you get when you add the water radical, 水, plus the sound body, 洋? You get the word 洋, ocean, vast or foreign, especially from across the ocean. In ancient Chinese, yang first meant a vast body of water that spreads wide, like a big sea or ocean. That's why it carries the water radical, because the concept was literally about water expanding far and wide. Later, it came to mean things from across the ocean, like foreign things. Yang provides the sound. It doesn't mean a big ocean full of sheep. But if imagining it that way helps you to remember the character, why not? Word examples: 海洋 ocean, 洋人 foreigner. This is an old term. 洋气 stylish, modern, Western style vibe. 洋葱 onion, bulb onion. The third character in the yang family is yang, third tone. This means to itch or to tickle. This character is created by adding the sickness radical to the sound body yang. The sickness radical relates to illness, body, or sensation. Yang provides the sound. While yang is mainly phonetic here, there is a poetic sense that fits. Sheep are covered in wool, and wool can cause itchiness. So even though ancient scribes didn't intend that meaning literally, it is a fun, memory-friendly link. Example words: 发痒 to tickle, to itch; 7年之痒 7-year itch; 手痒 is a figurative speech meaning to itch to do something; 抓痒 to scratch and itch. What do you get when you add the air radical 气 to the sound body yang? You get the Chinese character for oxygen, yang. Examples: 二氧化碳 carbon dioxide, CO2; 氧气 oxygen; 缺氧 lacking oxygen; 氧化 to oxidize. And just like that, you have unlocked the power of Chinese character construction. By mastering just 4 core building blocks, our sound bodies, 主, 八, 分, and 阳, you didn't just learn 4 characters. Stop memorizing 1 character at a time. Start building your vocabulary by the family. This is the smart way to learn Chinese. If you enjoyed seeing how one sound can unlock a whole world of Chinese words, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos. Want to learn more? Comment below if you are ready for part 3. 再见!